are to love God with a sincere heart. You know why it is very important for you to love the Lord? Because God teaches us to love our family more. If you love your family more than God, the chances are it can be shaky. You know why? Kasi if you love your family more than God, ang sabi ng Panginoon, the heart is deceitful above all else. Emotion, mangguna siya. Kanang person na natong love, kanatong inabati without the Lord, it's just mere emotion. But once you love the Lord your God, God will allow you, will teach you how to love your family unconditionally. It is extraordinary. If you love God more than your family, it is a decision to love. Because it is the Lord that will teach you how to love. But if you love your family more than God, it is your emotion to love. That's why you have to love God more. First and foremost, God, I love you, Jesus. And eventually the Lord, ang ating Panginoon, tuturuan ka to love your family. Even sa mga crisis, hindi ka bibitaw kasi andyan ang Lord na nag-uphold sa iyong kinabuhi, nag-uphold sa iyong family. Amen?